Hey there, boo thing. It's Gina Lynn here with Zappos.com. We're going to be about Andrita, and girlfriend, you are not going to want to miss out on this one because you are going to look so fierce, so stunning, so stylish. Let's go check it out. It's from Vince Camuto. Ladies, I'm loving this booty. I'm gonna do a 360 spin so you can see this beauty in all angles. It has an upper that's made of leather, and check it out, you guys. Look at this top line. I love how it goes down, and also you have this open toe silhouette. You could also slip into this really easily, and you have a synthetic lining that's really smooth. There's also some light padding in here with this fixed footbed, and OMG, you guys, check out this stacked chunky heel. I'm loving that detail. It's super different and unique. You're gonna get a nice lift of over 3.5 inches, and you have this synthetic outsole that has some nice flex to it. This is one sandal that you are gonna feel so fierce in. It's gonna boost your confidence, and you are gonna work it. It's from Vince Camuto.